Okay. So I guess this is it. I always thought, well, that doesn't matter. I always thought somehow, someday, I'd figure out what I'm good for. But now, it's clear. I'm not good for anything. I guess I should say don't blame yourself. This isn't your fault. No. Fuck it. If you feel a little bit sorry for me, it is your fault. It's everyone's fault. It's my father's fault. Mom, this is your fault. Everyone at school, all the students, all the teachers, the principal. This is your fault. I want the guilt to eat you up. I want you to wonder what you should have done for the rest of your life. What am I talking about? No one will miss me. No one will care. Who will be happier? I can never fit in. I'm too weird, and I'm not gonna change. I cannot be who I am. I wouldn't know how. So I guess I'll never get to kiss a girl. I'll never get to see a red-crowned crane in the wild. But what's the point? Nah, anyway. It's just a fucking bird, right? No one cares about fucking birds. I'm sorry for being in your lives. For wasting your time. Okay. This is it. Goodbye. I guess in my next life, I'd like to be a bird. If requests are allowed. So long.